Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter from your literature book. The name of this chapter is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish, right? So, now this is a comic story and this is in a cartoon movie. You all know we all love cartoons, right? If you see it, its illustration, it's very beautiful and everything becomes so easy to imagine in our mind. So, basically in this chapter, we come to know about Gopal, a very important person in the court of Raja Krishnadev Roy. Gopal was a Bengali person. In the story, we will come to know about Gopal's wisdom and how he used to solve all his problems with his wisdom, not with his physical strength. So, before starting the chapter, first of all, let us know who are the main character was in the story. So, the important person in the story is Gopal. Gopal is a person around whom the whole story is revolving, right? Next is Gopal's wife, the king, and courtiers. Courtiers, now the question arises, who are the courtiers? So, courtiers are the advisor of the king. So, it's clear who are the main characters. Now, let's begin with the text. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could not think of nothing but Hilsa fish. So, this complete story is revolving around Hilsa fish, right? And Gopal. Gopal, I told you, he is one of the king courtier or advisor, you can say. And Hilsa fish was very famous fish. It was in a very high demand. Everybody was just talking and thinking about the Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish. Come by, the price of Hilsa fish is down today. So, fishmongers, the word is given fishmongers. What is the meaning of fishmongers? So, fishmongers are the dealers of fish. They were just selling Hilsa fish, nothing else. Now, householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. Now, not only the fishmongers, the dealers of fish, but our householders were just talking about the Hilsa fish. Now, as you can see in this picture, this lady is asking this man that how much did you pay for that Hilsa? The man says, you would not believe it if I told you. Now, as I told you that everybody was just talking about Hilsa fish and everywhere. Now, in the palace of the king, in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. So, in the palace of the king also, all the courtiers could discuss only and only about the Hilsa fish. You can see one of the courtiers said to the king, Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. Now, the courtier is also talking about the Hilsa fish to the king. Now, when the courtier was also talking about the Hilsa fish, so the king got angry and he shouted, Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman? Now, he scolded the courtier. The courtier fell silent with downcast eye. The king felt guilty. Right? So, the king was feeling very bad that he shouted on his courtier. Right? Then the king said, I am sorry, I lost my temper. It's the season for Hilsa fish and no one. Now, the king said to the courtier, sorry, and he asked forgiveness that I am sorry, I lost my temper. It's the season of Hilsa fish and Everybody was just talking about Hilsa fish. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Now the king said to the courtier that not even Gopal, who is one of his courtier, could stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. Then Gopal said, "Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty." Now Gopal said that no, I can stop people from talking about huge Hilsa fish.